If you work in the metals industry, you know how costly unplanned downtime can be. But with the right know-how, you can manage plant assets in a way that both boosts productivity and cuts operating costs. At ABB, our knowledge is built on over 100 years of experience in the metals industry, which means we know how to apply digital solutions that deliver real value, like cutting maintenance costs by 12 to 40%. Our digital solutions allow you to continuously monitor asset conditions, see all relevant data in real time on user-friendly dashboards, and identify potential failures before they have a negative impact on production. But don't just take our word for it. The real value we deliver is backed up by real-world results. Our technology has enabled continuous monitoring of asset condition for Celsa Barcelona, one of Europe's largest steel producers, helping them to improve equipment reliability, prevent unplanned downtime, optimize maintenance, and increase overall plant efficiency and productivity. The real value that predictive maintenance brings is also clear. ABB's prediction and anomaly detection algorithms for critical assets in cold rolling mills and processing lines have been deployed at a customer site in Northern Europe, including asset models that combine extensive plant data and ABB's in-depth process know-how with the aim of improving line availability. We also help to eliminate the need for manual intervention in risk areas. Take conveyor asset management, for example. ABB developed new technology that integrates data from thousands of conveyor rollers. ABB Ability Conveyor Roller Inspection Service automates monitoring of all idlers, detecting when they fail and predicting failures ahead of time. This creates a reliable time window for planned maintenance actions, reducing unplanned downtime, maintenance costs, and production losses. Digital results like these are only possible with collaboration and trust. That's why we work with you to develop a tailored solution that's right for your business, because there are no one-size-fits-all solutions. We start where you are and help you move towards your goals with clear, practical steps for real transformation. It all begins with a conversation. So, let's talk.